Hi everyone, welcome back to our English speaking series. Today we're going to learn how to order food in English at a restaurant. After watching this video, you will know how to ask for a table, read a menu, ask about dishes, order your food and drinks, and pay the bill. All in easy English, perfect for beginners. All right, let's get started. In this first conversation, John goes to a restaurant and talks to Anna, the waitress. Listen carefully.
Hello. Do you have a table for one?
Yes, of course. Would you like to sit by the window or near the counter?
By the window, please.
Here is your table, and here is the menu.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let me know when you're ready to order.
Sure. Excuse me, I'm ready to order.
Great, what would you like?
What do you recommend?
The chicken sandwich is very popular, and our tomato soup is fresh today.
That sounds good. I'll have the chicken sandwich.
Would you like anything to drink?
Yes, a glass of orange juice, please.
All right. One chicken sandwich and one orange juice. I'll be back soon.
Let's repeat a few more useful sentences and talk about when to use them. Do you have a table for one? You say this when you come to a restaurant alone. It's polite and simple. Repeat after me. Do you have a table for one? Do you have a table for one? Good. Next we have, what do you recommend? Use this when you want the server to suggest something popular or tasty. Listen and repeat. What do you recommend? What do you recommend? Let's take a look at another sentence. I'll have the chicken sandwich. This is a friendly way to order food. I'll have sounds natural and polite. I'll have the chicken sandwich. I'll have the chicken sandwich. Now let's move to the second conversation.
How was your sandwich?
It was really good, thank you.
Would you like some dessert?
Yes, what desserts do you have?
We have chocolate cake, fruit salad, and ice cream.
I'll try the chocolate cake.
Great choice. Anything else?
No, that's all, thank you. Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept cards.
Great, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Let's repeat a few more useful sentences and talk about when to use them. What desserts do you have? Ask this after your meal when you're interested in something sweet. What desserts do you have? What desserts do you have? Can I have the bill, please? Use this when you are ready to pay. It's polite and direct. Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please? Can I pay by card? A common question to check if you can use your credit or debit card. Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Okay, good. Now let's move on to the third conversation. Because the food here is too good, so John comes back to the restaurant for the meal. Or maybe because he just wanted to meet Anna again. Who knows?
Hi again, do you have a table?
Welcome back. Yes, we do. Would you like to sit at the same place?
Yes, that would be nice.
Here is your menu.
Thank you. What is the special today?
Today we have beef noodles and fish and chips.
Is the fish spicy?
No, it's not spicy. It comes with lemon and tartar sauce.
Sounds tasty. I'll take the fish and chips.
And what would you like to drink?
I'll have a lemonade, please.
All right, 1 fish and chips and 1 lemonade. Coming right up.
After finishing meal, the fish was really good.
I'm glad you liked it. Would you like anything else?
No, just the bill, please.
Sure. Do you want to pay cash or card?
I have cash today. Here you go.
Thank you very much. Have a great afternoon.
You too.
What is the special today? Ask this when you want to know the dish of the day. Repeat after me. What is the special today? What is the special today? What is the special today? Next, is the fish spicy? Ask this if you want to avoid spicy food. Is the fish spicy? Is the fish spicy? I'll take the fish and chips. Another way to order. I'll take is also polite and natural. I'll take the fish and chips. I'll take the fish and chips. Do you want to pay cash or card? This is what the server might ask you when it's time to pay. Do you want to pay cash or card? Do you want to pay cash or card? Do you want to pay cash or card? You see, you don't need big words to speak English. Simple words, simple phrases, and lots of practice. Keep going, and you will speak with confidence soon. Let's review today's phrases. Do you have a table for one? What do you recommend? I'll have the chicken sandwich. What desserts do you have? Can I have the bill, please? Can I pay by card? What is the special today? Is the fish spicy? I'll take the fish and chips. Do you want to pay cash or card? Listen and repeat. Do you have a table for one? What do you recommend? I'll have the chicken sandwich. What desserts do you have? Can I have the bill, please? Can I pay by card? What is the special today? Is the fish spicy? I'll take the fish and chips. Do you want to pay cash or card? Great job! If you liked this video, check out our other videos to learn more useful English for daily life. Remember to practice often. See you next time.